In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get FP back as Revenant. So, Revenant it has as feat in scaling. She has really good feat incantation. Like you can use her for incantations and stuff like that. But she does not have the required skill to get FP back on her own, unlike Recluse, which you can get FP back on her. So one of the best build for her is just get like the old pocket watch that you can get on the second day on an expedition on any night lord. Then that relic will give you FP restoration, or you can just get starlight shards to recover your stuff. So I see here I'm using finger seal. Finger seal is pretty good on her. Any seal is fine. I think this Kiss of Fly is pretty good. Rate calling bell is better too, so that's pretty good. So I see here the incantation does a lot of damage by using the O flame seal, so I really like using that. Also, this weapon of hers is unique because it's the only weapon in the game that has it's a fist damage, but has some decent range, so it's pretty good. So I like using that. Old FP pocket watch. So this my build for her. Summon recover each attack, FP restoration of a successive attack, and intelligence. Why not for spears? So like the more you attack, the you recover FP that way. So I like using that on her. So that's pretty good for her, and I like it. And you can also use starlight shards to recover stamina if you know the FP attack is not enough for you. I like using that one more. So FP shards are pretty good. I like also, you know, I like stacking up on those. There's actually a relic you can get on the collector signboard. So we're just gonna go here. I'm gonna show you what to get here if you want a lot of FP on Revenant. So when you go here, there is a specific relic. This one, it gives you 6 starlight shards because each of these gives you 2. So there's 3 of them, 2, 4, 6. It gives you 6 starlight shards to recover your FP instantly using Revenant. So you don't have to worry running out of FP during matches. I think 6 is enough. You can also get one on shops, but you need to pay for them. Unlike this one, it came free. So if you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.